Welcome to this week's edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted orphan drug designation to Vivarimer for the treatment of antiglomerular basement membrane, or anti-GBM disease, a rare and severe autoimmune kidney disorder that can lead to acute renal failure. The designation offers benefits including market exclusivity, tax credits, and regulatory support. Vivarimer is being advanced by Renibus across multiple kidney-related pathologies. Chiesi has announced a strategic partnership with Key2 Brain to accelerate the development of enzyme replacement therapies that cross the blood-brain barrier for neurodegenerative diseases. The collaboration focuses on ultra-rare conditions like Krabbe disease and alpha-mannosidosis. Building on their 2022 agreement, Chiesi will now fund full development, reinforcing their commitment to advancing treatments for central nervous system disorders. Vascarta's investigational therapy, Vasceptor, has received orphan drug designation for sickle cell disease. Vasceptor is a transdermal gel formulation of curcumin designed for non-opioid pain relief. Licensed from Albert Einstein College of Medicine, the therapy introduces a novel approach to managing pain in sickle cell patients. Early preclinical results show encouraging signs. Capricor Therapeutics continues progress on its Duchenne muscular dystrophy program. The FDA has completed a pre-license inspection for their lead candidate, duramiocel, with no major issues reported. In addition, duramiocel has now received orphan drug designation for Becker muscular dystrophy, expanding its therapeutic potential. Regulatory review for Duchenne remains on track, with a PDUFA date set for August 31. Anjicha Biopharmaceuticals reports promising Phase 1 data for AGA-2115, its bispecific antibody therapy for osteogenesis imperfecta. In the first-in-human trial, AGA-2115 demonstrated favorable safety and efficacy, showing increased bone formation and reduced resorption. The European Medicines Agency has granted orphan drug designation, and Phase 2 trials in adult patients are being planned. Circle Pharma's CID-078 has received orphan drug designation for small cell lung cancer, a particularly aggressive and underserved cancer type. CID-078 is currently being evaluated in a Phase 1 trial for preliminary signs of efficacy. The designation provides regulatory incentives and market exclusivity, potentially speeding up its development timeline. On the policy front, the Senate has dropped the Orphan Cures Act from the Inflation Reduction Act Reform Bill. This clause would have extended protections for multi-indication orphan drugs. The removal has drawn criticism from the biopharma sector, warning that it may deter innovation in rare diseases. However, patient advocacy groups view the move as a win for maintaining lower drug prices. Finally, Novartis's Fabhalta has shown robust efficacy in its Phase 3b trial for paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, or PNH. Patients treated with Fabhalta experienced a 2.01 grams per deciliter increase in hemoglobin levels without the need for transfusions. Additional benefits included reduced fatigue and normalization of key blood markers. These results support Fabhalta's positioning as a first-in-class oral monotherapy for PNH. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you, Mouse.